Hello guys, welcome to a Monty Tech Help video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the yellow border that appears around your screen when you're trying to record on OBS or Streamlabs. This worked for me on OBS, so what you're going to do first, you want to hit the arrow, then you want to press exit and exit OBS, press yes if this shows up. If it doesn't, then just continue and exit. But for recording purposes, I'm going to press no. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hit Windows I, open settings, or just hit the Windows key and then open settings. And then after that, you want to go to gaming or system, but system's easier for most people. So you want to hit system, and then you want to scroll down until you find advanced graphics settings, which is right here. My cursor is graphics settings. My bad, not advanced, just graphics settings, my fault. Graphics settings, and then after that, since I have OBS there, I'm going to just remove it real quick for recording purposes. And then you're going to hit browse. Make sure it's on desktop app. You're going to hit browse. Then you're going to go to this PC or wherever you have OBS downloaded. You're going to hit local disk C. Then you're going to go program files. Then you're going to go OBS Studio. And then you're going to go bin and then 64-bit. And you're going to find the OBS application here. You can slow down the video or just look at the top here to look where the program file is. And then you're going to open OBS 64. Make sure it's the application. Press add. And then what I did was I did power saving. Well, for some of you, it might be high performance because of the GPU differences. So I did power saving and it helped for me. So I'm going to press save. And then after that, you open up OBS. And after you open up OBS, it should be better for you. Like the yellow border should be disappeared. So yeah, that's what I did. Hopefully this helps you.